inside, going to go 3 wide to the second spot. Tanner Fickle tucks it back in line. Casey Vanderloop ready to challenge for the lead. As you can see, nose down, spin up on the 51 machine. All Casey Vanderloop so far in this one. And Ross and Teddy Bear Allman will scrap once again. This time it's for the 4th spot. The second spot away and will. Sikolik now up to second, halfway through. He's race number 1. Here comes Sikolik again. Continue the top side as they roll into 3 and 4. Nothing going there. Vanderloop still showing away. Some lap traffic here. We'll see if that plays a factor at all. High, the 99 versus the 79. Keeps that inside line. It's going to be the white flag flying. Well, maybe not. Going to come home second. 3rd spot will go to the 27 of Tanner Fickle. 8 laps to heat race number 2, and we are racing. Manhandle has the preferred move on the bottom, but Manhandle will lead lap 1. Manhandle tries to get the lead all by himself. He does so. Manhandle out front, third, looking for second. Sidney Buck moves to the inside. Coming out of 2, Carl on his back bumper, but Paul made such a good run, he's up to second. Bird trying to hang on to the outside, not able to do so. Bird makes another run at the top 2. First one that bumper, losing a little down off the 4th. What a suffering stop of Manhandle. Now he's looking to the trying to take it away from Manhandle, and he does so. Jason points to the point. Paul is trying to make his way through. He is through here. Manhandle over the sideways in 3 and 4. He'll gather it back up. He'll try to hang on to 3rd, but like 3rd to the outside. Heading down to 3, Collins out off the 4th. Stretches out to about 5 or 6 down the front stretch. Every spin up. Front will turn on and turn forward. See the left flag, 1 first time around. Claw has it down to 3rd. Carlings this time. the Chuck McDuffie.